Indian vlogger Daisy Kohai. I hope all are very well and hale and hearty. So we had few days leave and we planned to come to visit some place, and ultimately we have decided to go to Kanyakumari. So we'll have a night halt in Tirunelveli, and there from tomorrow from there morning we will leave to Kanyakumari. So I think Tirunelveli is like 1 hour 45 minutes to 2 hours away from Madurai, and so we have just started our journey now, and now the time is around 6:28. So we are going to have a night halt there, and then from there we will proceed to Kanyakumari. So don't go anywhere, stay tuned with us. Having our tea, we have just now started to go towards our journey. It's like 250 kilometers as I am correctly we have calculated now, and we'll be doing our night halt. So I'm quite excited because each time I go to Kanyakumari, I never had a sunrise and a sunset view. So like each time we go, we have very difficult weather. The weather conditions are not favorable for us to view it in a good way, because till 6 o'clock everything goes well, okay, but suddenly when we reach the 6:30 time, a flash of cloud comes and completely covers the setting sun, and ultimately we miss the view. So we hope and we keep our fingers crossed to get a full-fledged view of the setting sun, okay. So if it is possible, I will definitely capture, so stay tuned with us. Hello friends, we have just now reached Annamalai Hotel and we are heading towards the hotel. I'll show you the view of the hotel. So this is the view of the hotel, guys. Welcome back, my friends. We have just now landed inside the room, and it's a small room for a family. It has a double bed, and it has all the accessories like the sofa here right behind me, and then a table there. And this is a beautiful thing that I want to show. It has a small table with a light which can be operated if you switch this on, and it's a touch, and the light is on. And then we have these lovely screens out here. Morning will be a beautiful view, so that like when you open it will like show the entire view from outside. I don't know how it looks like from outside, but only in morning we'll come to know about it. So we'll be showing you that. And then this is a beautiful comfy sofa with a table and all the small knickknacks that we have. The interior is okay, and towards the other side of the room, we have a very big panel of mirror. You can see this is a very huge panel of mirror. It's actually wall, not wall, but we can say that it is almost till here of my this is the size of the mirror, and full till the ground. And then we have the restroom just next to it, and then the door. That's the door. And as you can see, this is a small shelf where you can keep your knickknacks, your luggages, and all the laundry. They have also provided us with a laundry bag. This is a laundry bag. If we have anything, we can keep it. And this is a small place where we can rest our luggages and our handbags and small knickknacks like that. And overall, this is a very comfortable room, and not very small, not very short, and the view is awesome. And right now we are going to have dinner in the restaurant which is down, which is attached to the hotel itself, and then we'll see. So whatever comes out, I'll try to bring it to the vlog, and don't go anywhere, stay tuned. Thank you. Welcome back to my channel. We are going to the restaurant and we are off to Kanyakumari, but sorry news is that it's fully raining. Can you see it behind me? It's fully raining and we don't know what the day holds for us, but we are keeping our fingers crossed. And let's go to the restaurant to have our breakfast. Since the weather is not good, we are thinking of staying for some time back here, because as you can see in the window, the weather is still drizzling and we don't know when the drizzle will stop. But we are keeping our fingers crossed because we don't want to miss this trip, and we are waiting for some more time for the weather, because now the rain has stopped considerably. It has stopped to a great extent, and we are waiting for the drizzle to completely stop, because it is a sea area and they may have tide issues, the high tide and the low tide issues. So we have just come back to our room and relaxing, because we got already ready, but even then we are not sure to start immediately. So this is the couch that I am relaxing on, and it is super soft and cozy. And please do not go anywhere, stay tuned with us. Stopped, and we are about to start our journey, so don't go anywhere, stay connected with us. it's fully raining here and I can see it's raining here and we have reached Kanyakumari and hopefully we don't know whether the boating will be there or not. We are keeping our fingers still crossed and it's starting to rain. Suddenly it rains, suddenly it stops. We don't know what it holds for us. Stay tuned with us. Punjabi restaurant that we have got luckily again. We are lucky enough to get the North Indian dishes like dal makhani, dal fry, dal tadka, paneer butter masala, fulka, tandoori roti and all those items. So we are indeed happy that we have found one because usually in a tourist place it will be very difficult to find a good dining place and good restaurant. But we were lucky enough. We are going to have our food. Stay connected. கொஞ்சம் எப்படி பண்ணீங்க எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணிக்கலாமா?
சரி. இல்ல தான் வந்துறீங்களா?
இல்ல இதுல எழுதி அப்புறம் கட் பண்ணிடுறேன்.
இல்ல என்ன கலர்ல வரும்? இம்மா தான் வரும்.
இந்த கலர் வரும். நான் மேல இருக்கல அந்த கலர் அப்படியே வரும்.
என்ன முடிச்சிட்டீங்க?
பிஎஸ்சி ஹோட்டல் மேனேஜர்.
சரி, அங்க என்ன வர்க் பண்ணீங்க?
நான் ஹோட்டல்ல ரிசப்ஷன்ல.
ஓகே, என்ன கண்ட்ரில இருந்தீங்க?
சைனா.
சங்காய். Which place?
சங்காய்.
ஷாங்காய். திருப்பி போக முடியாது?
இல்ல இப்போ அந்த ஃளைட் அடுத்த மாசத்துல இருந்து எல்லாம் ஓடுன்னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. அந்த இன்னும் அந்த சைனா கண்ட்ரிக்குள்ள இன்னும் அலோட் பண்ணல. பண்ணா இது நான் படிக்கும்போது எல்லாம் கத்துக்கிட்டேன். சின்ன வயசுல இருந்து வியாபாரம் தான் பார்க்கேன், பார்த்துக்கிட்டே படிச்சேன். அதனால இப்போ சரி சும்மா வீட்டில் இருக்க சரி நம்ம இந்த பழைய வியாபாரத்தை பார்ப்போம். ஃப்ளைட்டு விடும்போது போய்க்கலாம்,
சும்மா இருக்கக்கூடாது.
ஆமாம்.
ஏதோ சைனீஸ்ல சொல்லுங்க. எனக்கு மழை அதுக்காக போட்டிங் இல்லை அப்படி சொல்லுங்க சைனீஸ்ல. ஆசையா இருக்கும். guys, after taking a quick walk and after having the beautiful talk with a person who made for us the carve the names in that shang. What is called as that shang? Conch shell, I think. It's called as conch shell in English. So we are going to another place called as Baywatch. Actually, I have no idea about that place, but it is like a theme park, a mini theme park wherein you have a lot of slide items and other items. So we are moving towards that Baywatch now. These are the hotels that you have just near the beach where you can have a beautiful sunset and sunrise view options. And there are a lot of lodges available, and since it is a tourist spot, you get, you know, many places with their own ethnic food. You can see this is the lighthouse. Friends, if you don't know what is lighthouse, it is a beacon light that directs the direction for the sailors and ship merchants to come with their cargo on the way. So it gives the direction, and it also that the shippers and the tourists can travel. Guys, unfortunately the Baywatch is also closed, so we have almost finished everything because we have already missed Vivekananda Rock view, and we have missed that the steamer boat trip, and because of this weather condition, and we are just actually watching the sea right now. I think it should be visible to you, and we are just experiencing the breeze, and it's still raining. It's very breezy, windy, and it's very cloudy. Actually, we cannot see it. So this is the view we are having. If I open this, it's like this. So if I open the glass, all the water is falling on my face, and like it's not possible to open the windowsill. So we are just waiting for some time, and then we'll be off to our Tirunelveli, and there we'll have a night stay, and then morning we will get going with to Madurai. So stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and now it's like around 4:49 or almost 5, and we are going to leave check out of this room, and we are going heading towards Madurai. Initially we thought that we will be staying here because we have still the time to check out, and even they were booking for our buffet, which is a complimentary dinner. But then we thought of reaching Madurai, as we came very early from Kanyakumari, and we'll be starting by 5, and hopefully by 8:30 we'll be reaching Madurai. So don't go anywhere.